Hello guys, Phil here today. Today I have a couple packs to open I got from Shoppers. So I have 07-08 MVP and a couple packs of 2015-16 Upper Deck Series 2. So we'll start on the MVP. I got 4 packs of this. Henrik Sedin. Klesla. Mark Parrish. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Stumple. And Brendan Witt. Jason Pominville. One of these. And Malkin MVP Monumental Moments. Alright, pack number 2. Novelty Svatos, Ricky, Raichi, Straka, Apibulin, Peter Forsberg, Kozlov, and a rookie of Tommy Mackey. What a name. Oops. Well, it looks like there's some sort of decoy or something in this pack. Shane Doan, Tyler Arneson, Danny Healy, Patrice Bergeron, Jarrett Stahl, Chris Phillips, decoy, and a Hart Candidates of Vincent Lecavalier. Another decoy in this pack as well. Alexander Ovechkin, Joe Sakic, Wisniewski, Lettinen, Oland, Malkin, Holick, and then Game Faces MVP of Alexander Ovechkin. Alright, we'll move on to 15-16 here. Only thing I'm really looking for is Jack Eichel Young Guns and McDavid Canvas Young Guns. Jeffrey Petrie, Sad, Brody, Yankroak, Adam Pellich Young Guns, Crosby, Fleshman, Molson, Boschman, Glad, Nelson, Paul Martin, Hunter Shinkariki Young Guns Canvas, not the one we wanted, Alsner, Tarasenko, Stallberg, but I guess better than nothing. Ladd, Nelson, Paul Martin, Brandon Saad, O-Pee-Chee Update, Zidlicki, Conley, Gardner, Alsner. Alright, 3 more packs. Andrew Ladd, again, Nelson, Anisimov, Jelnas, Max McCormick Young Guns, Verbata, Steve Downey, Mike Green. Alright, 2 more packs to go. Brody, Kyle Yankroak, Zetterberg, Patrick Kane, Nicholas Patan, rookie, Sidney Crosby, Fleshman, Molson, and last but not least, looks like we got a jersey. Jones, Zuccarello, Carl Hagelin, and a Daniel Sprong rookie jersey. Chris Higgins, Drew Doughty. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.